Hello everyone. Thank you for inviting me for this ITI presentation. And today I'd like to talk about a topic that's really close to my heart. It starts with the story of this lady over here in this picture. And in June 2019, I remember being at dinner and this text popped up in my Facebook. I got a text from a friend and he said, "Oh, can you help another one of my friends? She's a nurse and she broke her tooth and she wants an immediate implant." So I was like, "What do you mean by immediate implant? Immediate fixture or immediate tooth?" And this lady actually broke her front tooth. She's a nurse and she definitely wanted her front tooth back again. And as a female, losing that front tooth is definitely, to me, quite devastating. So when I saw her, what they did immediately was that they actually bonded the tooth fragment back with a wire and composite resin and they jacked up the bite. So this lady presents like this when she first comes to see us, definitely not in a very good mood. And she has very, very kindly allowed herself to be the star of this show. So please, no photography at all. And with this patient, her requirement was that she wanted it immediately. But as we all know, implants take time. Now, conventionally, we need to extract the implant. So she calls me I get this text beginning of June, yep, 2019. You need to extract the tooth. The earliest you can place the fixture, if you want good aesthetics, is 6 weeks later. According to Danny Boozer, we do early implant placement. We do implant fixture and a bone graft in people with thin biotypes. Then you get the crown in November. So this lady was doomed by conventional techniques.